Our paper mainly discusses about the global issue of global warming, what sector on Earth it strongly affects to, and what causes it. Our study aims to provide answers and insights to these objectives to be discussed in the paper with further research and support of evidence by our future respondents.
Key detail number 2. Along with the respondents we have, which we will be choosing with a random sampling and targeting a population that certifies to be affected by the global warming issue. Our paper is qualitative in nature and follows a descriptive research method. The research instrument we aim to use is with interview along with 5 questions directed to greatly help this paper reach its best output of result.
The main purpose of our paper is to spread cognizance of global warming issue, which is an issue that is carelessly disregarded and worsening in time. With the public well aware by global warming issue, this issue is likely to be mended as soon as possible because the huge causing factor of global warming is the people itself that contributes to producing greenhouse gas. While many argue that global warming is not man's responsibility, but our paper argues that it is. What's motivating for us to write this paper is the hope we have for our planet Earth and people for healthy change and reformation of our surroundings. To achieve that, the global warming issues come up first in the list of nature issues that are urgent to be fixed as soon.
Our salient point is that global warming is getting worse and people itself causes this predicament, such as the greenhouse effect produced by transportation, electricity, trucks, and mostly technologically based. Technology has put humanity in a big leap to the big future, but has cost Earth's nature in exchange. It would be wiser to make the environment-friendly devices that does not emit greenhouse gases that produces global warming. We gathered these details by thorough research that supported our claims for this study, namely Norda's study, John Cook's study, and Michael's study.
How will your study contribute to the society? Our study is sure to contribute to the society by saving it from future health concerns associated with global warming, as well as the nature that surrounds us. It contributes with the spark of awareness, the spread of disinformation, the urge for help with one another, with bigger and stronger positions in the industry, and finally, a big leap to the future with a safer and healthier surrounding and society.
The limitations we encountered in this study is the difficulty to find respondents well suited for our research. But this issue is recommended to be solved in the future coming months with the ease in pandemic restrictions that allows the researchers to this study to interview chosen respondents to render our study not only the insights of climate change expert researchers, studies, but as well as the raw opinion and viewpoint of respondents.
We also encountered miscommunication with fellow researchers of this study. Due to poor connection, we addressed the first mentioned issue with hope and planning in the future to pick volunteer respondents for this study. And as for the second issue, we resolve it by patience to communicate with one another despite technology issue.
As our study states the global warming issue, our paper recommends for technology-based businesses, for technology industries to create environment-friendly devices that does not harm the earth and valuable assets, as well as the people to be extremely mindful of what their actions affect the environment. With these recommendations, our paper believes it can be managed the global warming issue and reform the planet Earth freshly and healthy.